Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will guide you how to reactivate closed advertising account. For some personal reasons, you previously closed your advertising account but have tried many ways to reactivate the account without success. That's also why Master the Meta made this video. Let's solve this problem together. You can see my account has been closed and I can no longer run ads on it. Please go to the comments or description to access the link to the extension. Next, download the extension. Next, go to your browser's extension manager. Once in the extension manager, enable developer mode. Next, open the file you just downloaded. Right-click on the extension and select Winner, then select Extract here. Wait a moment, a utility file and a file containing the text I have prepared for you will appear. Add extension to browser as in video. Now open the extension. You can see the extension is linked to Facebook Appeals category. Step 1. Enter your FB Ads account ID in the first box. Next, enter your FB ID or link in the second box. In step 3, enter your business portfolio ID. If the account does not belong to BM, enter Add Account Belongs to Individual. Note, if the account belongs to BM, you must be an administrator of BM. In step 4, paste the text I have prepared for you. No, edit according to your information. Finally, please attach a screenshot of your account status. Now you wait about 2 to 3 hours, then return to your ad account and will see your ad account has been successfully opened. Note, if unsuccessful, please try again after 1 hour. The process will be successful. During this process, please do not use other extensions to avoid conflicts. You can see the status of my closed ad account has been deleted. Now I can continue running ads on this account. Master the Meta's video tutorial on how to reactivate closed advertising account.